A la 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 long, a la 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 long, a la 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 long, long, long. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, Baby. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about all of the things that I just bought. It's exactly what we're doing today, as you can see from the New Balance box. Oh my goodness! If you are already a subscriber here, welcome back! I love you! But if you are not, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of these amazing videos. You know, slightly amazing, not so amazing. I try my best, guys. With that said, today we are going to unbox my most recent purchase, which is the New Balance CT302. Okay, so I have a pretty solid roster of New Balance daddy looking shoes, so I've been kind of laying low. I thought I wouldn't be buying any New Balance for at least like 6 months or like a year, but lo and behold, I was so lucky that they still had it in my size because there were literally only 2 pairs left. I felt like it was meant to be, you know. Without further ado, let's open this box. What is this? CT302. What the hell is that? A lot of people actually don't know what this is. I didn't really until my husband enlightened me. And of course, we're big fans of IU, so we're a bit biased with this one. We've got the tissues na nabutas ko na, sorry, there's a hole. And let's bring it out. Dun 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 dun. Focus. Focus, camera! What an interesting silhouette. One that I would not really expect from New Balance. It doesn't even look like one. Even the N is so interesting, but let's talk about it. So for our base, we have a white leather upper. Look at that leather, so good. And we also have the giant ends on the side in the same leather. It's kind of subtle, kind of hidden, but you know it's a New Balance because of the end and of course because of this logo over there. Up in front, we have this suede in a kind of ecru kind of color. I don't really know how to describe it, but we also have this leather design, and also here it matches with a kind of off-white tone. I like the choice of color. It looks very retro, and the super chunky sole. Oh my gosh, we do love some chunk. The tongue is different. This one is made of nylon. It looks unfinished as well, which is a really nice touch. The New Balance logo up in front is this bright blue color, which is a nice contrast. At the back, we also have this grayish kind of blue, which I think pulls everything in together. Overall, we've got a very neutral kind of shade that you can wear for every day, but it's still quite a statement shoe because of the very fun silhouette. Okay, so I got this in a size 7 men's. As you all know, I do get from the men's section. That kind of translates to an 8.5 women's, even if usually I'm an 8 US. But with New Balance, I've come to find I really like kind of a little bit of wiggle room inside my shoe. So I've just gotten size 7s forever. For my 990s, for my 992s. So we're gonna do the same thing here. But I think that's mostly because I wear really fat socks. So with that said, it now feels pretty true to size with the thick socks. I actually went to the store with thin socks and the shoe felt a little loosey-goosey on me, but with the thick socks, it's starting to feel perfect. So this is actually a new silhouette, and a lot of people have their eyes on it, you know, if you know about New Balance, but a lot of people also don't know it exists. And for that, I am glad. When worn, guys, a lot of people actually say to size down for these babies. I stayed true to my usual size, but I understand why they would do that. There is quite a bit of space. Maybe if I force it, my foot would come out like this. And with my thick socks, I think it works perfectly fine. The look is so adorable. But of course, we're gonna talk about comfort. I'm gonna say that inside, it feels so good. It feels like marshmallows, and that's because of the Ortho Light. And I do like that there's some technology to that. Everything more or less feels very soft and comfy. Maybe if you move a little bit to the side here, the leather does make it feel a little bit constrictive, but I think overall, in time, that's just gonna get more and more comfortable. Not too surprisingly, yes, this is a comfortable shoe. I would only say that it is pretty heavy. It feels like a 1.5 pound dumbbell, or maybe just 1 pound. So it is like a weighty shoe. It has a nice weight to it. It's not the lightest thing ever, but I don't feel it when I'm walking around. So I'll let you know later on if that's something that bothers me. Honestly, I haven't taken this baby out for a real walk just yet. As you can see, I still have the tag on. So let me know in the comment section if you would like a follow-up or like a real review after use. I am very interested to see if these would fare just as well as my 990s and 992s. They do feel very cloud-like and squishy on the inside, kind of like marshmallows that you're not allowed to eat. So I am very optimistic about it. Now, when you talk about versatility or what you can wear this shoe with, I would say you can wear them with practically anything because you do have a pretty neutral, kind of like a staple white shoe kind of thing going on. So with my outfit now, it can totally work, especially with its kind of retro interesting look. It can also look good, I think, with something very minimalist. You can go all white, you know, monotone with the creams. That's gonna look super clean. I would also recommend this maybe with a very contrasting black outfit for a pop of, you know, color. And maybe for something super colorful like what I'm wearing now, it would totally work as well. With all that said, my rate for this shoe would be around an 8.5. I have yet to see if this rating will change. It probably will eventually, depending on how comfortable and usable it is. Just off the bat, 8.5 because it is quite heavy and I'm not really sure how I'm gonna feel about that later on. Do you guys have this shoe already? Did it come out in your country and you were able to grab a pair? Or are you like one of the people who messaged me who were like, where did you buy that? Where can I buy that? Honestly, I don't know the answer. I'm so sorry. But I'm pretty sure they're going to be restocking soon, probably in different colors. I hope they do because it is such a fun look. If you are tired of maybe the dad shoe from New Balance, this is something that you can try out. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And once again, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Peace and love. Bye!